Yeah, okay. I hope you can see. Let me just pull this actually. Okay, so this is I'll just put my apron on. A 30 by 40 canvas. And I just take the back, put some pins in, and I've got just that little cup that I'm just going to lay it on. So when I pour it, it will fall. What am I doing? It will fall down gently as I'm pouring. If you want to go and watch Sarah Mack, I think hers is called Coral Reef. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Now, I have a suspicion that our Floetrol does not work as similar to, well, the same as the American Floetrol. And plus, I've only got one Extreme Sheen paint. The rest are, oh, this is a little bit of Extreme Sheen paint with pink tourmaline, but the rest aren't, and therefore I'm assuming that they won't have the same selling effect. But I'm going to try and we'll see, because that's what it's all about, isn't it? So I'm going to pour, I think I need, I'm just using an old double queen carton. I think I'm going to need like 3/4 there of paint. I'm going to do 3 layers in here. So let's just put that there for a minute so you can see what I'm doing. So there's going to be a layer of white, and then the layer of the colours, layer of white, layer of the colours, layer of white, layers of colours, layers of white. That's what's going to go in there. Okay, so, and it's going to be like more of a flip cup layering. So, I don't know if you can see, I'm just going to put a base in the bottom, very big base. The trouble with this, I can't see what's, okay, that's alright. Right, okay. And I only have a little bit of gold left, so I've got to be quite sparing with this. And I don't know if I'm going to be, I might try and get 3 layers out of this, but it's only going to have to be a little bit. Otherwise I'm not going to get 3 layers. Pink and the red. I'm going to put a baby bit of each. Do I want to put this? What do I reckon? I might just put a little shimmer in there. That's as much as I'm going to do. Did I put all of those in? Yeah, 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to cover that with a layer of white, very gently. Okay. And then I'm just going to do a layer of that copper, and then just cover it again with the white, because I don't want that to necessarily mix with those other colours too much. Right, here we go. Not going to be much of this, that's for sure. The gold. I'll have to scrape out for the next one, I think. That's fine. Okay. Maybe a little layer of the white on the top. I don't think I'm going to put more copper in. I'm sorry if you can't see, but yeah, you're just going to have to trust me with my layering. Can you see a little? Oh, you can see a little bit now. Let me just tip it up for you. I'm literally just putting a little bit on, not much at all. I'm going to scrape the rest of this gold out because that's not going to be very much at all in there. I need to get some more, but every time I go online it's sold out. Or it's selling, it's normally, I don't know, 2-3 quid, and it's selling for like £20 for one of those little bottles. I'm like, no, that's not going to happen. What am I missing in there? I think that's it, isn't it? Just put a big thing of white on the top. I think that's enough paint because I can always add white. Okay, I think that's plenty of paint for that size canvas. A good old scrape. Okay, and we will see. Move that out of the way. Go over there. Grab a bit more. Right. Okay. That's plenty of paint, I think. Definitely. Right. Let me just try and bring you down a bit closer. Does that matter? Oh gosh. There you go. Okay, here we go. I've no idea where this is going to go, but Sarah's looks so beautiful. Oh, something's happening. Where did I put that stick? Here we go. Okay. Right, let me just I'll have to stick some more of this white underneath. That's going to roll down. Okay, that should be enough. Plenty. Oh, look at this. Oh, I do hope something happens, and I think it is. Oh, look at that gold. Oh, okay. Oh, we're on to something, that's for sure. So, let me just put a little bit of white on the top here. In this corner. Okay, right. Okay, look at that, beautiful. You see, I think it's definitely Decoart Extreme Sheen, the way that those bubbles just pop up, those cells just pop up. Right, okay, let me just take this out so I can see what I'm doing. Move that there. And then I can gently walk this down and try and get that paint to go over. Into the middle. It's not moving as much as I would like it to. Let's just go to the top a little bit first, because I don't want to overdo. I want to keep these. I wonder if I torch it now it would help. I don't suppose it matters if the lines aren't straight, it's just that they're... Okay, let's just go down. I didn't want to do that. Gosh, harder than you think. Keep your lines straight. Don't want to lose all that. Okay. I'm going to go back down to that corner there and take that off there. And bring it back. And then let's hope we can get, when I torch, see, beautiful gold hair look come off. Right, let me just wipe my hands. It is very pretty. Very pretty. I think maybe, let's see if I get anything else coming up with this. But it's definitely, see that extreme sheen, that's where you get the cells coming up through. It's a nice technique. I think it's like anything. You practice and the paints that you have make a big difference. I mean, I'm going to try and do this with my glue mix, this technique, to see what cells you get up with that. But I mean, some of those lines are beautiful. It's a shame I couldn't keep them in line as such. Bear with me one moment. Okay, I'm just again, my battery said low. My phone said low battery, although I started on 70. Oh, I don't know. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you some of this as it's sort of developing. It is really pretty. I wish I could have kept the lines a little bit more. Excuse that light, but it's the only way I can get there. And this long stripe here is looking beautiful. I mean, it is very pretty. Again, practice. This bit here is lovely with all the gold extreme sheen. Anyway, I'm just going to sort my edges out, take some pictures, but I hope you like that. Thank you, Sarah, for the inspiration. Again, I think I need to invest in some more Decoart Extreme Sheen paints, because that's the sort of the cells that you get with those, with the gold. I mean, it's beautiful. They are beautiful. Okay, right, that's it then. That's it for me. Thank you very much. Amanda, over and out.